Hello, and welcome back to Fun with Hendrix. Today, we will be doing my 3rd grade science fair project. I wanted to test knives and see which one could cut a seatbelt fastest. Serrated, straight, and rescue hook. The first step is we need to build the thing that will hold the seatbelts. We will be needing these clamps, nails, and the help of my dad.
Come show me what you guys are putting the seatbelts on.
These. We're putting the seatbelt on
Wood.
these.
With
Okay.
clamps on the outside.
And that's how we're gonna cut it? Okay,
Yes.
great.
For my experiment, I need to see which one of these 3 knives can cut a seatbelt fastest in emergency. We will be cutting a seatbelt strip with a knife 4 times. My hypothesis is that the rescue hook could cut it the fastest because it was specifically made for these things. We will be timing how long it takes to cut the seatbelt with a stopwatch. I'm testing the serrated blade, the Gerber Hinderer CLS. 2, 1.
Try and use the serrations. And stay in the same place on the belt.
It looks like I can't cut these seatbelts. My dad will cut them, and I'll be the timer. My dad is testing the serrated blade, the Gerber Hinderer CLS.
3, 2, 1, go. What's the time?
2 seconds.
2.24. Okay, write that down.
My dad is now testing the plain blade, the Gerber Obsidian.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. What's the time?
3.26 seconds. My dad is testing the rescue hook, the Benchmade 8.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. What's the time?
1.26.
Perfect.
My dad is testing the serrated blade again.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go.
1.69 seconds. My dad is now doing the plain blade again.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go.
.61 seconds. My dad is doing the rescue hook again.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go.
50,
5.0 seconds.
I mean 0.50 seconds.
0.50 seconds.
Dang, that was fast.
My dad is doing the serrated blade again.
3, 2, 1, go.
1.20 seconds. My dad is doing the plain blade.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go.
3.31 seconds. My dad is doing the rescue hook.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go.
4.4 seconds.
0.44 seconds.
0.44 seconds. My dad is doing the serrated blade for the last time.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go.
2.24 seconds. My dad is doing the plain blade for the last time.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go.
2.88 seconds. My dad is doing this rescue hook for the last time.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. What was it?
0.54 seconds. I'm going to do a rescue hook for fun. Ready, set, go.
8.04 seconds.
That's fun. I finished my experiment. My dad helped cut the seatbelts because I wasn't strong enough. All knives had the same blade steel, 440 stainless steel. All knives are new from the factory to keep them similarly sharp. My hypothesis is that the rescue hook would be the fastest because it is specifically made for these things. The results. The plain blade had an average of 3.27 seconds. The serrated blade's average was 1.84 seconds. The rescue hook had an average of 0.69 seconds. My hypothesis was confirmed that the rescue hook is the fastest. Another reason the rescue hook is best. Rescue hooks don't stab a person when you cut a seatbelt in a real life situation. Thanks for watching. Bye!